Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. I'm Ayoub, a developer who thought, you know what, maybe it's time to start sharing what I built. Before we go any further, no, this is not my real voice, it's AI, because I still can't afford a proper mic yet. But once I can, you'll get to listen to my beautiful voice. This channel isn't gonna be about tutorials or those how to become a six-figure dev videos. It's more like me building stuff, breaking stuff, and hopefully explaining it in a way that doesn't put you to sleep. Think devlogs, experiments, side projects, and a bit of commentary on how chaotic the modern web stack has become. I'm not trying to be overly polished here, it's just real developer energy. Some days things go smoothly, other days I'm fighting NPM errors for 3 hours straight. So if you're into that kind of vibe, projects, creativity, and honest developer chaos, you might actually enjoy sticking around. Anyway, thanks for checking out the channel, subscribe to follow along, and don't worry, the AI voice is temporary, hopefully.